living every day an undercard. Undercard, living every day an underdog. Underdog and living every day an undercard.
Today I'm going to be wrapping my exhaust because my heat shield fell off. So I've got the exhaust wrap, I've got 3 hose clamps, and at Napa Auto Parts that cost me $29.63. Alright, so this is my old heat shield. Back there was 2 bolts. Up here, there's supposed to be 2 bolts. The back bolts are here, and here. The front bolts are here, and up there, which I didn't have to touch. So I think what I'm going to do is probably start the wrap here, wrap the hell out of the cat, so basically I wrapped it around itself here, threw a hose clamp on, wrapped it all the way, made sure to pull it as tight as I could after every time I go around the pipe, and then wrapped it around the cat a shit ton of times, and 2 hose clamps.